What corner? And there we go, the drone is down. So we're doing some more experimentation with a couple of 3D models out in a different location in the Granite Dells. So this is a new modeling area for us. We're doing a test today. So Greg has run 2 different Ground Station Pro missions, and I ran a single Drones Made Easy by Maps Made Easy mission. We're going to compare the final results of the models later on. So we're probably going to be including that on Arizona Drone. That's azdrone.net if you'd like more information about what we're doing with drones out here in Prescott. So we're a couple miles into the Dells, and been a lot of traffic above us in the air. But of course, we're listening in on the ATC, and we're making sure that we're okay and not in anybody's way. Had some guests up in the area. They're already heading north out to Vermilion Cliffs and White Pocket. We met up with Tony the other day, a great web designer from Canada who's talking about moving out into this area. He's running around with an Airstream right now. He's not a full-timer, he's a part-timer, but he gets to spend a lot of time on the road and still do work. So this has been an extremely busy week. I'm sitting here on Saturday now and just taking a few. Tomorrow it's back to work, but today is a day off. So what's gone on this week? Well, a lot of web work for my clients out in Wisconsin. Hi guys, I know that you pop by here occasionally. Wednesday, Greg and I were out scouting around in the Dells for some work that we're looking into doing really soon. Thursday was a Phoenix day, so I actually, like I've said before, full-time RV living is no different than anything else, to be honest. So Thursday I was down in Scottsdale to go see my dentist over at Aesthetic Dentistry of Scottsdale. So Dr. Michael Kelly, he's awesome. Interesting part of the ride down there was the fact that there is a golf tournament going on. So it was just an absolute joy trying to drive into Scottsdale on Thursday. Yeah, I'm being sarcastic. It was not fun at all. But the dentist appointment was fine. So, a couple hours down, couple hours back up. By the time I was done with my Scottsdale trip, the day was basically over. Friday, so Thursday night, my friends Josh and Lee, the former owners of Hiker Hostel, the start of the Appalachian Trail, they popped through Thursday evening. They're running around the country in a Troopy, so it's a pretty cool 4-wheel drive off-road vehicle, so they came here for some information and to check out the Dells, and they're traveling with friends as well. So yesterday morning, Friday morning, I took them out into the Dells because their friend Dave is an actual climbing guide. So I was showing them around the Dells for a couple of climbs they were going to do, and then they took off to do a run around Watson Lake as well. After I was done leading them out for their climbing, went to the southern edge of the Peavine Trail and walked a couple miles up with Greg again, because we were testing out some new modeling and some different software for our modeling. I do apologize for the wind. I'm sitting outside, and this is northern Arizona. There's always wind. So we did get a little burned yesterday, so I'm not going to be staying out too long today. But here we are, day after Groundhog Day, and we're seeing 70 degrees again today. So I'm actually in a t-shirt and shorts. And yesterday's long hike, at the end of the hike, I was dying because I was in jeans. Really wish that I had put the shorts on. This is a really odd winter here for Prescott. Weeks ago I had talked about overwintering and being cold in the Airstream, and a week after doing that video it's warmed up, and this is really warm for this season. Last year in February we were pretty darn cold. So it's kind of nice to run around in the t-shirt and shorts for a bit, but I got a feeling we'll see some cold temperatures again before spring hits, and we've only seen a little snow this year. So yeah, extremely busy week. This video, basically, I don't know where it's going. It's kind of all over the place. A little drone work, a little walking, some Airstreams, some nice sunny days, and just enjoying my last day off before I get back into it full force, because this coming week I've got a lot more web work to do for my friends in Wisconsin. We've got a meeting on Wednesday for a new potential drone contract, and I know I'm forgetting something else. Oh yeah, I've got a bunch of updates to do for one of my RV resorts for their park model sales. So there you go. Typical, strange, wacky week as a full-time RVer and as a guy who works full-time out of his Airstream that's sitting right here in the background. All right, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to enjoy some more sun and then go make some lunch.